Shania Parker ma'am is here. She is being accorded with the ceremonial guard of honor by our school perfectorial body and escorted our respected principal ma'am and school head boy and head girl. Heartily welcome ma'am. Now, Sri Chandrasekhar Yadav sir, St. Martin Educational Society, a Vice President, introducing a knowledge acknowledges who believes, introducing futures, acknowledging everybody hard work and dedication, announcing new competitive initiative and sharing the school vision for the future. We welcome you, sir.
Let me introduce our special guest, who is a founder principal known for her incredible work and dedication for 19 years. A great men and women come to our mind when we think of a founder, Srimati Mala Shania Parker ma'am, but probably none can justify expressive and impressive work done by her. With proud and respect, I would like to call upon our special guest, Mrs. Mala Shania Parker. We welcome you, ma'am. We also welcome Mr. Rajshekhar Yadav, sir, our Executive Committee member, who is known for his calmness yet to soundness performance, create cool zone in the school and believes in the theory of creating a warm atmosphere for children, staff, and principal.
Every great beginning is blessed with light. The lighting of the lamp symbolizes the removal of darkness and the spreading of knowledge, wisdom and hope. May I now invite our chief dignitaries along with our principal ma'am to please come forward for the ceremonial lighting of the lamp. I also request prayer children to come forward and present prayer song.
Sir worth the sapling as a token of our gratitude. In recent achievement by Telangana Olympic Association, Sir elected as the principal of Office Perio. Sir is acting as a president for the term 2024 to 2028. May I now request our principal ma'am to felicitate Chandrasekhar Yadav Sir, our vice president, with the sampling of our gratitude and appreciation. May I now request our principal ma'am. May I now request our principal ma'am to felicitate today's special guest, Srimati Mala Shanay Pakal ma'am, with the sampling as a token of our gratitude. Ma'am self-motivated, fascinated and professional with 19 years of service in St. Martin's High School, Malkajgiri in the various activities. May I now request our principal ma'am to felicitate May I now request our principal ma'am to felicitate our executive committee member, Mr. Rashikar Yadav Sir, with the sampling as a token of our gratitude and appreciation. Sir is known for his calmness, believes in the theory of creating a warm atmosphere for children, staff and principal. I request all the dignitaries to have your seats, sir. Ma'am. The tiny tots have danced, sung and filled our hearts with joy. But now comes one of the most special and important moments of the evening. It is a time to look back at an incredible year filled with giggles, little milestones and endless curiosity, so much growth. A report that beautifully captures the laughter, learning and the love that defines our little world. We respectively invite a beacon of our institution, the heart of pre-primary family. May now that defines our little world. We respectively invite our beloved principal, Mrs. Sudha Harikrishnan, to present the annual report of 2025. Ma'am, we request you to please come and present the annual report 2025.
Your esteemed guest, chief guest, and special guest Mala Shanay Pakal and management members, Lakshman Reddy sir, Rashikar Yadav sir, and Chandrasekhar Yadav sir, our executive member Chandrasekhar Yadav sir, a special thanks to him. Parents, teachers, and my dear little stars, it is an honor and privilege to welcome you all to the Silver Jubilee celebrations of St. Martin High School, Malkajgiri, that is Sparkle Spectra. I feel honored to extend a hearty welcome to all dignitaries. Today, we are not only celebrate the vibrant performances of Tiny Tots, but also mark a quarter century of learning, laughter, and love. 25 years ago, a vision born in the year 2000, we nurtured Tiny Tots of pre-primary young minds of shaping their future. It is a remarkable milestone, a testament to the dedication of every grace who has been a part of the journey. Today, we are not just celebrating our little stars have worked so hard to prepare for tonight, and their energy and enthusiasm are infectious. The annual report showcases that achievements and glories of our pre-primary school. We have always been committed to create an environment in the school which helps a young mind to blossom and provide a platform for individual thinking and holistic development of the children's personality. Believe me, the pre-primary is a code to school only few months, but their confidence will be their parents' biggest achievement. Primary education builds a strong foundation in language, art, maths, EVS, music and physical education. A variety of games and activities planned to the children develop their motor skill in their activities. As per NEP, the age of children is in all the schools implemented from 2024-25. Parents, listen carefully. Nursery, the child should be +3 age. PP1 +4 age. PP2 5+ age. First class 6+ age. This question always asked by the parents. I just wanted to confirm in front of you, you have to follow the rules and regulations as per NEP of CBSE. To motivate themselves to ready for the development of the writing skills and thinking skills, and our co-curricular and with experimental learning, art integrated learning, etc. are planting by the teachers are to prepare the holistic achievement to their work accordingly, the CBSE holistic report card. I think the holistic report card, if you just read out, it takes 10 minutes. But the grades, what children are achieved is a great achievement for your academics. Physically, there is a great need for activities as you must help the children to develop large and small muscles. They need not a lot true for free play. Teachers make it a point to appreciate them with a warm touch and encourage them when it's done, where Ms. Chandni Bhupal ma'am was an excellent counselor for the children to trace out the disabilities in the children. Activities, collage making, flower printing and group activities, thumb printing, class activities, vegetable printing, orange, green day, fruit day, vegetable day and cooking without fire, fancy dress, recitation and dance. These are celebrations celebrated the whole year. These celebrations are awesome for the children. And at the end of the year, graduation day will be celebrated for the children. I think this year we have done excellently and completed the graduation day. Teachers are attending the workshop is Unraveling Children's Natural Abilities of Speech, Cognition and the Sensory Motor. The resource person of workshop was Anjan Ganguly, has given the workshop for them. All these activities are interested in the co-curricular activities to make the children aware of all the activities and bring all-round development of the children. Sports Day also is conducted to make the students and have the positive competitive spirit. With the help of, I think, Lakshman Reddy sir, we have done so many things, so many sports we have conducted in the school. Our leaders coach and train the student to see the children for the wonderful future. We celebrated Monsoon Day, welcome the winter, also designed to bring the knowledge about the seasons and feelings. Children participated project fair subject-wise with the different activities. All our achievements are the direct contribution from the children. Thank you, teacher, and special thanks to our art and craft teachers Shailaja and Vasanti, whose excellent art and craft you see on the stage. My special thanks to the coordinator Mrs. Pavani, who worked tirelessly to make this pre-primary day grand success. Our office staff Mr. Krishavini and Shailaja, Rakesh and Sai Kumar helped tremendously for this program. I am extremely grateful to the management for providing all the opportunities to show our commitment towards our work. Dear parents, is to able to meet all your demands of that for the overall development of your ward is needed and helpless task nevertheless challenge role, and I am conscious of my pouchage. The interactive relationship among the parents, teachers and children and admin staff, the school system will go a long way to satisfy them. All pre-primary children are ready to put it in all the must-show and present wonderful programs before you. These children, parents are very tiny tots, and some of them are facing audience probably for the first time. Applauding them even when they are fond will go a long way. I now to take the lead to you all. Thank you all guests for the valuable presence. Sit and relax and enjoy the program. Thank you and God bless you. Namaste.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was truly inspiring and heartwarming. You all words perfectly captured the magic that happened every day in our pre-primary wing. The joy, the effort, the holistic growth and countless little victories of tiny tots. We are so motivated to continue striving for excellence in early childhood education. On behalf of the entire pre-primary team, parents and our little staff, a big thank you, ma'am. Your unwavering support and visionary leadership. A huge round of applause for once again for our beloved principal, ma'am.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is an immense privilege to welcome the guiding light of St. Martin's High School, the founder principal, Srimati Mala Shane Sakal ma'am, under whose visionary leadership we are soared to our heights, winning hearts, accolades like your wisdom has been on compass and your encouragement, our wings. We are thrilled to have you to grace this stage once again for your inspiring words with our young achievers. May I request Mrs. Mala Shane Sakal ma'am to address the gathering.
Respected Sir, Mr. Lakshman Reddy Sir, Mr. Chandrasekhar Yadav Sir, Mr. Rajshekhar Yadav Sir, Principal, guests, parents, teachers, and my dear students. A very pleasant and happy good evening to all of you. We have gathered here today to celebrate the silver sparkle of St. Martin's High School, Mallikarjugin. I am Mala Shinoy Parkar, the founder principal of the school, and thank the management today to invite me to be a part of this grand celebration. Seeing young parents here today, eagerly awaiting their child's probably first appearance on the stage is so joyful to watch. Parents, we all take days to make a difficult decision of choosing a school for our child because we want to give them the best. Today, the world is changing at such an accelerated rate, and we as educators need to reflect on this entire system of education. This reflection motivates us to go through a continuous working at implementing well-balanced curriculum to ensure that the children who walk into the portals of this school will not just leave their school years but truly be prepared to face life's challenges. This is a child-centric school. Here you will find ambience, the intensive use of thinking activities, strategies and group dynamics so that classrooms become alive. Education has a ripple effect, and the school's exceptional teachers create this ripple every day by helping students to develop and keep abreast with the fast advancing education system. Thank you for entrusting your child's education to this school. Your cooperation with the teachers will go a long way to help your child find the footing in the world. Give quality time to your child and see him succeed tremendously. Work together with the school to make your child stay in this school memorable and enriching. In a short time now, you will find your children on stage. If they falter, clap for them and encourage them. An ounce of performance is worth pounds of promises. Don't lower your cheering to meet the performance of your child. Raise it to those heights that your child performs automatically to meet your cheer. Thank you and God bless. Clap for them and encourage them. An ounce of performance is worth pounds of promises. Don't lower your cheering to meet the performance of your child. Raise it to those heights that your child performs automatically to meet your cheer. Thank you and God bless.
That echo in our hearts long after tonight. Your vision continues to inspire us all. A heartfelt applause once again to our founder principal, Mrs. Mala Shane Pakul. I request all the parents to please applaud for our founder principal, Mrs. Mala Shane Pakul. Shortly,
Good evening to everyone present here. A warm welcome to our respected teachers, dear parents and lovely friends. I am Isha of grade 4 with my friend. This is Umar Qureshi from grade 3. Today is a proud and special day for all the members of St. Martin's High School. We are not just celebrating our annual day with the completion of 25 glorious years of learning, discipline and success. 25 years of nurturing young minds, building dreams, creating memories that will last forever. We feel proud and thankful to be a part of this journey led by our principal ma'am, along with our dedicated teachers and ever supportive parents. So, let us begin this Silver Jubilee celebrations filled with joy, talent and pride. Now, to dive into this beautiful event, I would like to call upon my friends. Hello everyone, myself from grade 3. Hello, hi everyone, this is Vaidiki from grade 1. Hello everyone, myself Divyashree from grade 3. Hi, hello everyone, this is Ashita from grade 2. We welcome you all to our Silver Jubilee celebrations. Now, my friends will lead you to this beautiful event. Thank you, Isha. Good evening, parents. Let's start today's beautiful event with a small sloka. Parents, మీరు కూడా మాతో శ్లోక చెప్పండి. ఐగిరి నందిని నందిత మేదిని విశ్వ వినోదిని నందినుతే ఇరివర వింధ్య శిరోసిని వాసిని విష్ణు విలాసిని జిష్ణుతే భగవతి హేసిని కంఠ కుటుంబి భూరి కుటుంబిని భూరి కృతే జయ జయ హే మహిషాసుర మర్ది రమ్య కపర్దిని శైలసుతే. So parents, to fill the heart with warmth and dignity, we call upon our grade 2 dancers. Let's welcome them onto the stage with thunder of clap.
ఝడన ఝడనతో పురాణి స్వాగతాంజలి
and the shorties know nothing but love. So stopping at my Pirelli's on. Like my Louis, that's how it's on. Know the storm is coming, my pockets keep telling me it's gonna shower. All of my homies is holding and popping the night cause it's meant to be ours. Keep my fadeaway shots cause we ballin' this now put on every hour. Look mama, Audi just like the flowers. Give you the truth with all that goody power. In my head right now, when you go down, when you go down now. Just spin my head right around, when you go down, when you go down. She got me doing my money, ain't nothing better to me. It's going down. She got me doing my money, ain't nothing beautiful to me. It's going down.
Ceremonial guard of honor by our school, Comprectorial body and Scottish Heart, respected Principal Ma'am. We welcome you, sir.
We welcome you, sir. Sri V.V. Lakshmi Narayana Garu served in Indian Police Service Office from 1990 to 2018. May I now request our Principal Ma'am to felicitate Sri V.V. Lakshmi Narayana Garu. I request Sir to please come on to the stage. In Kadapa district of Andhra Pradesh, India. He was primarily brought up in the temple town of Sri in Kannur district, where his parents worked, his father as irrigation officer and his mother as a school teacher. I request all the management dignitaries along with Srimati Mala Shane Pakal to please come on to the stage. Sir has completed B.Tech Mechanical Engineering, NIT Warangal and M.Tech Mechanical Engineering, IIT Chennai. I request our Executive Committee member, Sri Jai Kishan Yadav sir, to please come on to the stage. Sir received International Security Medal awarded by the Government of India, Indian Police Medal as the Government of India in 2006. And he was Heart Duty Medal awarded by Government of Maharashtra. May I now request our Principal to felicitate today's Chief Guest, Sri V.V. Lakshmi Narayana Garu, with a sapling as a token of our gratitude. Foundation of Maharashtra in recognition of his significant contribution to promoting social harmony, peace and communal upstanding. He served as Additional Director General Police in Mumbai. He worked as a Joint Director in the CBI. Sir has retired from IPS in 2018. With folded hands, I request our Chief Guest, Mr. V.V. Lakshmi Narayana Garu, to address our parents and the gathering. Hello. We'll continue with the cultural programs.
अरे उमेश, कैसा लगा? बहुत अच्छा लगा यार। मुझे भी बहुत पसंद आया। पेरेंट्स, आपको भी अच्छा लगा ना? तो फिर कहाँ तालियां? बजाओ तालियां। अरे ईशा, क्या कर रही है? पागल हो गई है क्या? अरे तुझे ये वाला गाना नहीं पता क्या? नहीं। अभी हमारे फ्रेंड्स आ रहे हैं, स्टेज को शेक Wow, that was an amazing performance. Really, they shake the stage with their dance. Parents, that was amazing, right? You loved it, nah? So let's clap and encourage them. Now our friends are coming to take us to the land of temples and twins with their mesmerizing dance moves and cute gestures. Let's enjoy their lovely voices and sweet expressions. So let's welcome them.
ఉంది దేవి వైపుందిలే ఈ గ్లోబ్ నూతే వైపుందిలే వైపుంది దేవి వైపుందిలే ఈ గ్లోబ్ నాదే వైపుందిలే
सुपर एक संग है।
Fire!
అదే జాతిలో పుట్టిన కాకుల గురించి భయంగా తీరాలి తిండికి మెరి ఇది కడుపు మండిన కాకుల కథ జమానాకెళ్ళి నడిచే శవాల కథ పెంచిన ఒక జాతి కథ మొత్తం జాతిల జోష్ తెచ్చిండు
ఏందన్నా గమ్మునుండవా ఆ సౌండ్ ఏందా కదా నేను ఎవడికి భయపడిననే నీకు మట్టుగా తెలుసా కానీ మార్కెట్ మొత్తం తెలవాలంటే ఆ మాత్రం సౌండ్ ఉండాలా ఇదోటి తనలో పెట్టుకో ఎప్పటికే
నా కొడుకు నాయకుడైన కథ నీ అమ్మ
నేను స్కూల్కి వస్తా.
చాలా బాగా డాన్స్ చేసావురా.
ఇప్పుడే అందిన వార్త. హైదరాబాద్ లో 2వ తరగతి చదువుతున్న ఒక చిన్న బాలికపై అత్యాచారం జరిగింది.
బిడ్డ మీతో ఆటలాడుతున్నావు, చాక్లెట్లు ఇస్తున్నావు, మీ ఒంటి మీద చేతులు వేస్తారు. అప్పుడు మీరు జరంత హుషారు ఉండాలి. మీ ఒంటి మీద 3 జాగాల్లో సయ్యేసుడు చాలా తప్పు. ఆడ ఎవడు సయ్యేసినా ఉరుకుంటా పోయి అమ్మకి చెప్పాలి. 1 చెస్ట్ ఛాతీ మీద, ఇక్కడ ఎవడు సయ్యేసినా అమ్మకి చెప్పాలి. 2 నడు కింద బ్యాక్, ఆడ సయ్యేసినా అమ్మకి చెప్పాలి. 3 బిట్వీన్ ద లెగ్స్, 2 కాళ్ళ మధ్య, ఆడ సయ్యేసుడు చాలా పెద్ద తప్పు బిడ్డ. ఉరుకుంటా పోయి అమ్మకి చెప్పాలే. బిడ్డ మళ్ళా చెప్తున్నా, ఈ 3 జాగాల్లో చెయ్యేసేడిది. మీతో ఆడుకునే దోస్తైనా, పాఠాలు చెప్పే మాస్టర్ అయినా, ఎదురింటి అంకుల్ అయినా, ఇంట్లో తాత అయినా, మామైనా, అన్నైనా, తమ్ముడైనా, ఆఖరికి వాడు కనుతండ్రి అయినా అమ్మకి చెప్పాలి. అమ్మ ఊకోదు, ఊకోవద్దు.
तो फिर बधाइयों के लिए तालियां। अरे ईशा, तुझे कैसा लगा? मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा और मुझे आज समझ में आया कि मेरी मम्मी मुझसे हमेशा क्या कहती है। क्या कहती है ईशा? मेरी मम्मी मुझे हमेशा कहती है कि बेटियों को चांद की तरह मत पालो जिसे सब लोग निहारे, बल्कि सूरज की तरह पालो जिसे देखते ही नजरें झुकानी पड़े। अरे ईशा, तेरी मम्मी तो बहुत सही कहती है यार। तो फिर पेरेंट्स बजाइए के लिए तालियां। अरे पेरेंट्स तालियां बजाओ ना। और अभी हमारे नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस आ रहे हैं स्टेज पे अपने और परफॉर्मेंस के साथ। पावर पैक परफॉर्मेंस, ये क्या होता है ईशा? जोश जोश और डांसिंग करा हो। सबसे जनाब वाले आ रहे हैं ना? हाँ, अभी हमारे नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस आ रहे हैं स्टेज पे अपने जनाब ट्रेंडिंग बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग जनाब वाले के साथ। तो फिर पेरेंट्स तालियों के साथ हमारे नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस का तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए।
अजनबी से यार बना जो मिलते ही एक रात में, मांग ली मेरी जान कम वक्त में, पहली मुलाकात में, जा तुझे देते अपनी शाम हम सौगात में। समझे जनाब।
to please.
మిసాల పిల్ల నీ ముక్కు మీద కోపం కొంచెం తగ్గాలి పిల్ల మిసాల పిల్ల నీ ముక్కు మీద కోపం కొంచెం తగ్గాలి పిల్ల పొద్దు లేచిన దగ్గర నుంచి డైలీ యుద్ధాల మొగుడు పెళ్ళాలంటేనే కంకి గొడవళ్ళ అట్ట కన్నెర చెయ్యాల కారాలే నూరేలా ఇట్ట తుమ్మెత్తి పొయ్యాలా దూరాలే పెంచేలా కుందేలు కోపం వస్తే చిరుతకి చెమటలు పట్టేలా
ఈ వేషాలు చాలే, నువ్వు కాకా పడితే కరిగేటంత సిరి లేదులే. అందిక జుట్టు అందకపోతే కాళ్ళ వేడాల నువ్వెట్ట innocent వేసి పెడితే ఇంకా నమ్మాలా? బాబు నువ్వే ఇంతేనా, మగ జాతి మొత్తం ఇంతేనా? గుండెల్లో ముళ్ళు గుచ్చి పువ్వులు చేతికి ఇస్తారా?
మిసాల పిల్ల నీ ముక్కు మీద కోపం కొంచెం తగ్గాలి పిల్ల
వేషాలు చాలే, నువ్వు కాకా పడితే కరిగేటంత సిరి లేదులే.
మిసాల పిల్ల చెక్కనైనా చుక్కల్లాంటి కోయిల చక్కెర లాంటి ఉక్కెర లాంటి ముక్కర లాంటి కోయిల చెక్కనైనా చెక్కలేని చెక్కెళ్ళున్న కోయిల ఎక్కడికంటే అక్కడికి వచ్చి చిక్కుకుపోతా కోయిల అడ్డుకున్న ప్రేమ నీకు ఆరదు గట్టి నిద్రలేమో వాళ్ళదు కోయిల హాయ్ కోయిల కోయిల హాయ్ కోయిల పొంగుతున్న పిచ్చి ప్రేమ ఆగదు దచ్చమంటే చిన్ని గుండె చాలదు కోయిల హాయ్ కోయిల కోయిల హాయ్ కోయిల నువ్వు లేకపోతే దిక్కు తోచదు చల్లగాలి కూడా ఇటు వీచదు ఈ మనసిక ఎవరికి నివ్వదు నిన్ను వదిలికటికి వెళ్ళదు మొహలకి అందదు నీకు తప్ప ఎవరికి చెందదు కోయిల హాయ్ కోయిల కోయిల హాయ్ కోయిల చిక్కనైనా చుక్కలాంటి కోయిల చక్కెర లాంటి ఉక్కెర లాంటి ముక్కర లాంటి కోయిల చెక్కనైనా చెక్కలేని చెక్కెళ్ళున్న కోయిల ఎక్కడికంటే అక్కడికి వచ్చి చిక్కుకుపోతా కోయిల
house mistress along with the deputy house mistress to please assemble near the stage.
तो फिर पेरेंट्स कैसा लगा आपका परफॉर्मेंस? तो फिर बधाई के लिए तालियां। अरीशा तुझे कैसा लगा? मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, लेकिन हम तो आ गए हमारे छोटे बच्चों के लास्ट परफॉर्मेंस पे। लास्ट परफॉर्मेंस हुआ तो क्या हुआ ईशा? हमने कितना एंजॉय किया और कितनी सारी नई बातें भी सीखी ना। अरे ईशा तुझे कौन सा परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा लगा?
నాన్నగారి గురించి ఏమైనా విషయం చెప్తావా?
ఓ చెప్తాను. నాన్నకి మన గురించి చాలా తెలుసు. రాత్రి మనం నిద్రపోవటానికి చందమామ కథలు చెప్తాడు. మనకి భయం వేస్తే చేయి పెట్టుకుని ధైర్యం చెప్తాడు. మనం నవ్వుతే తను నవ్వుతాడు. మనం బాధపడితే తను బాధపడతాడు. మనం అలిగితే తను అలుక తీరుస్తాడు. నాన్నకి మన గురించి చాలా తెలుసు, కానీ నాన్న గురించి మనకేం తెలుసు? నా సూర్యుడివి, నా చంద్రుడివి, నా దేవుడివి నువ్వే. నా కన్నులకి నువ్వు వెన్నెలవి, నా ఊపిరివి నువ్వే. నువ్వే కదా, నువ్వే కదా సితార నా కలికి. నా నువ్వు నా ప్రాణం అనిన సరిపోదట మాట. నా నీకై ప్రాణం ఇవ్వను, ఇదిగో ఇది నా మాట. నిజానిలా అనేదలా ఎవ్వాలని ఎదుట. I love my daddy, my superhero.
చిన్నారి తల్లి నా నింగి జాబిలి నీవెన్నారండి వెలుగొందుతోంది నా గుండెలోగిలి. నీ ఊసులోనే ఉసురాడుతోంది నన్న ఊపిరి. కాలాలు దాటి ఏనాటికైనా చేరాలి నీ దారి. ఎన్నాడు ఉన్నానంటూ ఏకాకి మాదిరి. ఆరారిరా
కనిపించిన మా అమ్మకే అమ్మయ్యనురా. నడిపించిన మా నాన్నకే నాన్నయ్యనురా. ఒకరిది కన్ను ఒకరిది చూపు, ఇరువురి కలయిక కంటి చూపు. ఒకరిది మాట ఒకరిది భావం, ఇరువురి కదలిక కదిపిన కథ ఇది ప్రేమ. ప్రేమ తిరిగొచ్చే తీయగా ఇది ప్రేమ. ప్రేమ ఎదరొచ్చే హాయిగా ఇది మనసుని తడిపిన క్షణము కదా.
Anchoring children parents can collect your child near the office door. Anchoring parents, please collect your children